Hey everybody! Today we'll be making what I like to call the cinnamon and spice berry smoothie. It's by far one of my favorite smoothies to make. It's super tasty and it doesn't need a lot of sugar in it to taste amazing. So let's get started. So since this is a berry smoothie, we're going to need berries. Then we'll also use some power greens or any other green you have. Then some pea protein powder, as well as ground cinnamon, lots of that. Some red chili powder, almond milk or any other milk, coconut milk, some salt to bring out the flavors, and a little bit of sweetener, which is optional, but you can use any kind of sweetener you'd like. So this smoothie is a wonderful way to move towards making your smoothies based on taste and feel. Like macros and calories are important at all, but it's equally important to have variety tailored to your taste buds, so food is something you enjoy. So that's why we won't have any measurements, but I'll take about a handful of berries. Then we'll add in some power greens. I put in about half a scoop of pea protein, but however much you'd like. Then we'll put some cinnamon. I like a lot of cinnamon. Then we'll balance that with some red chili powder. And we'll put in about 8 to 12 ounces of almond milk, depending on how creamy you want it. Then I put in 2 tablespoons of coconut cream just to give it creaminess, as well as a pinch of salt to bring out the flavors, especially of the cinnamon. Then I put in a tablespoon of monk fruit sweetener to balance everything out. So the great thing about the smoothie is that there aren't too many ingredients and you can distinctly taste each one. So once you blend it, give it a taste and see if you need to add some more milk or some more spice or a little, if you would like some more greens, whatever you'd like. And here it is. So it turned out really nice for me, super cinnamony, and I garnished it with some shredded coconut, pecans, pumpkin seeds, and sliced almonds. And I enjoyed this as a smoothie bowl, which is this is probably one of my favorite smoothies to make, and I hope it is for you too. So thanks for joining me. I'll see you tomorrow.